Have you ever wondered what was inside someone's gym bag? Because gym bag, normal bag, work bag, I am so nosy. I always used to be that kid that wanted to go through all of her auntie's bags, even her mum's bag, and I would find things I didn't necessarily want to find. So today we are going to do a what's in my gym bag. Okay. Okay guys, so here I have my gym bag, and this bag is actually from Lululemon. It's okay. It needs a little bit more compartments. I do feel like the inside isn't the best, but that's okay because I do wish that someone one day will bring out the ultimate gym bag. I wonder who that person will be. You just hazard a guess down below. Anyway, so we're gonna open this bad boy up. Right, so in my gym bag, right, I honestly have not cleared this up. I just opened it up and I'm already regretting this video. Already regretting it. So we're gonna start off with things that are not so raunchy, I would say, you know, a little bit raunchy. So the first thing is leggings. I always have a spare pair of leggings because, listen up, if my leggings rip in the gym because I'm squatting so hard and breaking my back to get that booty, or if the time of the month comes and I leak through, you need an extra pair, you know? Definitely an extra pair. What the fuck? So basically I need clearly a t-shirt bra in here. As you can see, it is a necessity. So this is a Victoria's Secret sports, it's not a sports bra. This is a Victoria's Secret t-shirt bra, and I'm assuming the reason I have this in my bag is because I was changing and it's still in there. Okay, let's put you down there, you were expensive. So the next thing I have is some straps. Oh, 2 different types of straps. These were awful. I bought these from Amazon. They confused my little brain. I don't know what I was doing. So these are kind of jacks. But these ones, I basically love these just actual straps. And basically, like, what you do is you hoop this in here. So you create like a little hole. Tie it on your wrist, and then you obviously wrap it around any dumbbells or barbells. Absolutely love straps. If it's a heavy leg day, I love using straps. If it's a heavy back day, straps are amazing. They help me lift a little bit heavier, and especially if I don't have chalk, these are good. And they are, you'll get more use out of these than chalk. Chalk runs out, so these are a little bit more useful. However, they do grip at your wrist, so that can be a little bit dangerous. Moving on. Oh, chalk. Okay, I do not use powdered chalk. I think it's messy. I think if you're using it in the gym and you don't wipe it up after yourself, you are very, very rude. And did your mama not teach you any manners? But this is liquid chalk, extra strong. It's honestly from Amazon. It's called Via Fortis, and it's just a liquid form. I just put it in my hand, it air dries, and it doesn't leave mass amounts of residue. And you know those big gym guys who just lift weight, chalk powder everywhere. What were you doing? Sort your life out. Bit extra. Anyway, moving on. Oh, spare sports bra. This is from H&M. As you can see, I keep like a sports bra and leggings in there just in case. You just never know, your sports bra could just break, or a girl could come up to you and go, hey, do you by any chance have a spare sports bra? And you could help a girl out and create a friendship that you didn't know you needed until it's created. So moving on. Oh, okay, 1 fluffy sock. Okay, 2 fluffy socks. As you can see, sometimes my feet get cold in the gym. So what do? You bring some fucking fluffy socks. Oh, some really cheap face wipes that I can't seem to put the lid back on. So these are going in the bin. Why? Because they're dry. Moving on, we have some dry shampoo. I'm gonna need some right now because my hair is so flat, you know. Let's just, okay girl, lift those roots. By the way, really good tip that even if your hair is clean and you want some volume, shall we just do a hair tutorial instead? I know you all want one. Okay. So, ooh, that volume, did you just see that happen? Dry shampoo. Am I sponsored? No. Should I be? Probably. Ooh. Money, 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 money. Listen, I don't know why I have this in my bag because I genuinely never, ever, ever have cash. But, okay, the Queen's face, I don't mind it. Oh, deodorant, right guard. This is the Total Defense 5. Fight the 5 signs of I swear to God, I passed law school and I cannot read. I think there's something wrong with me. I'm not even joking. I find the most simple words difficult and the longest, most complex words easy. Someone explain that to me. This is a 40-hour protection. Now listen, I am looking for some body vegan friendly, atmosphere friendly, zero chemical body deodorant that actually works because I've got so many upstairs that just don't work. I still end up smelling so bad. I want to gag at myself because I smell so bad. So that's why I always go back to this, but I don't want to go back to this. I want something more friendly for my system and the environment, you know? Oh, okay, next deodorant. Let's just put that away right there. Okay. Next is a hairband. I always use like these, what are these fucking called? What are these called? They're called something. They're called something. This hairband's called something. It's like, it doesn't rip your hair. It ties up like 10,000 times and you can do some crazy ass shit with this. So hairband, yes, always in my bag. Okay, so this is some Women's Best protein powder. I always order when I do my monthly order. Some of these shakes just to have spare because they have like different compartments. I can put my protein powder in there, my water, my BCAAs in there, and then when I'm finished with my BCAAs, I can put my protein powder in there, sip it up, you know what I mean? And then I only have one shaker. I'm not gonna have like 2,000 shakers. Absolutely love Women's Best. Then we have, oh, my Amino and Energies in Blue Raspberry. Does this make your tongue blue? Yes, yes it does. Shall we try it? See? And that's how you know I don't lie. So yes, it makes your tongue blue. I am gonna have a blue tongue now for the rest of the video. Was it worth it? Probably not. But I wanted to show you anyway. Oh, moving on to a hairbrush. This is a tangle teaser. We want to keep those split ends at bay. Okay, so get yourself a tangle teaser. This is a little cute like pastel color. Ooh, gotta brush that out, okay? I have somehow 3 different types of protection, and I'm not talking about that kind of protection. I'm talking about when Mother Nature calls, when she wants to ruin my life, when I get 10,000 pimples, when I want to eat 10,000 bars of chocolates and I want to cuddle up on the sofa with my dog. That's the kind of protection I'm talking about, okay? So, big ass pad, yes. Yes, I need this big ass pad. Do I need 2 different types of tampons? Probably not. Do I want to get those good vegan, organic type tampons? Yes, yes I do. So if you have any recommendations that I should try, then comment down below. But for now, I use the Tampax, Compax, Chempax tampons. 2 different variations. I don't know, maybe one day I'm feeling a certain way and the other day I'm feeling another way. You just never know. Oh, I seem to have 2 of the same, but slightly different Carmexes. This is cherry flavor and this is strawberry flavor. Me and Carmex have a very undying relationship. We get on, we're best friends, we're sisters. You are in my heart forevermore. So then moving on, oh, I seem to have a little bit of perfume here. This is from this French company. I can never pronounce it. It begins with an L-O-C-C-I-T-A-M-E. Can I pronounce it? No. And what have we established in today's video? Krissy cannot read. So why do I need perfume in the gym? Well, just in case my man pisses me off and I gotta impress someone else. No, I'm joking. I'm really joking. Oh my god, I'm totally joking. But I don't know why I need perfume. Oh, I seem to have some panties in here. Okay, so flattering. The reason why I have underwear is the same reason why this is here, the extra pair of leggings. As you can see, maybe something happened to me in the past that I definitely need to protect myself for the future. Actually, great opportunity to tell you what underwear I wear for the gym. I wear non-visible panty line thongs. I do not wear the big granny pants that I wear in bed for my man. No, only he gets to see those. I wear these really not so attractive, but very comfortable, very soft, non-visible panty line thongs in a nude color. I try and match it as close to my skin as possible. As you can see, this failed, but that's fine. I have some black pairs, I have some white pairs, depending on how light or dark the legging is, I will match the underwear to the legging. This helps me avoid camel toe, although there's nothing wrong with camel toe, but if you don't like it, this is a must, and also it helps me avoid like too much crack on show, I would say. Also, they're comfortable. You're not really gonna see them underneath your leggings. I do wear underwear to the gym. I don't know why, but I just have to. Like, I just feel like really exposed if I don't. If you don't wear underwear to the gym, that's completely down to you. You do you. But me, I need to wear some underwear, okay? I need some form of protection. Moving on, I seem to have a brush that I'm gonna throw away. Wow, that dust. Or wash. Let's not throw things away. And then I have my headphones. I use these headphones. Every single day at the gym. As you can see, they are dirty inside. My foundation, my makeup, when I wear makeup to the gym, have just literally just seeped in there. I wear Beats. I used to wear AirPods, but ever since I got this piercing right here, the AirPod doesn't actually go into my ear, which is a real big shame, but it doesn't go into my ear. So now I've had to go back to my wireless Beats, which I love. The only thing I would say with the Beats is I definitely get more hot in them. I don't know why, I feel like my ears start to sweat and I just sweat. But with the AirPods, they were a bit more comfortable. However, with the AirPods, whenever I would skip or run, one would end up falling out of my ear. So this, you're definitely not gonna get any fallout, as you can see. But yeah, it is a bit hot and sweaty. I definitely want to get some of those earphone covers. So if you know somewhere to go for that as well, comment down below. So those earphone covers, I definitely want to get some of those. Oh, got more. It's got some more dry shampoo in here. Got another brush in here. I was actually looking for this brush. Got another hairband of the same type, but different color. Like I said, one day I might feel like a clear kind of gal. The next day I might feel like I want a darker toned hairband kind of gal. You just never know. Is there anything else in here? I really don't think there is. And if there is, I'll be very surprised. And that is it. There is nothing else in this. Oh, just some face powder. Okay, that is it, I swear. For this giveaway, I am giving 2 people £100 each to spend in Lululemon. So you're each gonna receive a separate gift card for £100 each. So 2 lucky winners will win £100 each for Lululemon. So all you have to do is make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, make sure that you're subscribed to this channel, and comment down below a way that I can contact you. And also what I want you to comment down below is what you wish a bag would have. You know, like a gym bag. What do you actually wish a gym bag would have? So comment down below and let me know. Remember to subscribe to this channel. Make sure that you are following me on Instagram. Comment down below what I just requested you to do. And remember that I love you always and forever. So me and my dirty underwear and my tangle teaser, we're gonna have a good day. Okay, bye.